said like we are going to get a lot of fun in today's activity, right? That is, the first activity is read and swat the sight words. Read and swat the sight words. For that you need to make it with a cardboard like this, swat, or else whatever is available at home, if whatever mama is going to give you, you can use that also. So what we have to do, the sight words I have written in the circles, we need to read and then swat that sight words, children. Let's do it. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to get a lot of fun. Okay, let me read. Okay, here. He not go we to be. I'm going to swat. Yes. Next. So it towards look. Yes. Where flowers that he. Up the was have name. Okay. Beautiful, right picture said. Has garden this fill. Able, butterfly and his. And in this way we can play, or mama can ask like, has sight words circle, you read it, means you need to go to has garden this fill and then you need to swat it. Okay, if she says find the beautiful sight word circle, you need to check where is the beautiful in the circles, then you need to go, yeah, here I got it, but like a beautiful right picture said, and then swat that sight words. Going to get a lot of fun, children. I got it. So play well and enjoy this and read well the sight words. Okay, children? So children, we have played that read and swat the sight words activity. Now we are going to do the I word family activity, which is fill the rainbow with the I family words. Fill the rainbow with the I family words. For that you need to draw like this cloud and the rainbows. Okay, rainbow colors, children. For that, first you need to write all the I family words, which is today we have done in. Right, children? We have done in. You need to write it in the cloud. Then you need to write the words here, children. Okay, so let me write the words. Okay, just I'll quickly write it and give you, children. Then I'll tell you what we have to do. Okay, pin and then bin, fin, and then tin, then sin, kin, win. So in this way, first you need to write all the in words. Here you need to write in the cloud. In is in the cloud. Then you write all the in family words in this rainbow colors, children. So ma'am told you to remember the rainbow colors with your word you need to remember. Okay, so let's color the rainbow. Okay, children. Let me take the red. So children, now quickly take page number 2. Take your index finger. Yeah. I sound. Say aloud. Ink part. Igloo. Insects. Iguana. Ill. Invitation. And page number 3. Last classes word. I word families. Read aloud. Ig words. Big. Dig. Fig. wick. Quickly the rhyming words: big, zig, dig, pig, fig, wig. And ip word families: hip, dip, zip, sip, lip. The rhyming words: dip, rip, hip, sip, lip, tip, nip, zip. So we have done today's class, page number 4. We have finished in word families. So read aloud in words: pin, bin, tin, fin. And the rhyming words: bin, pin, din, sin, fin, tin, kin, win. So please everybody, you need to read multiple times, then only you can able to read, children. Okay, I know you all are going to read awesome, you are going to rock. So before we go to our activity time, let's keep this book. Today's activity is going to get a lot of fun, children. Okay, let's do it. Now, green, children. We need to take green and color it. I'm going to fill this rainbow with the I word families and your coloring also. Next is blue, children. Okay, so we'll color with this blue. Okay, done. Then indigo. I don't have exact indigo color, children, so I'm just taking this deep blue only. If you have, you can color with that. Okay, so the last one is violet. So ma'am said a tip to remember the rainbow colors, you need to remember a word: VIBGYOR. Okay, children, look at here: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. VIBGYOR. So you can easily remember that what are the colors in the rainbow means. If you remember that word VIBGYOR, you can easily tell to anyone when they were asking a question to you. Okay, children. So in this way, you can complete this I word family activity, children. Looking beautiful, right, children? You also try. Just you need to draw a cloud and then draw some lines to fill the rainbow colors. Okay, children? I think you are also going to get a lot of fun. Eat well, stay at home, and don't trouble your papa mama. Love you all, children. Bye bye.